It is Christmas time and I got one of these. So this is all unboxing thing because I wanted to see what it looks like. Alright, so got the Google Nest Hub. Thanks Google for sending this. And let's see what it looks like. Opening. Woo! This is... So that's what you get when you first open it. I thought it would be bigger than what it looked like on TV or the commercials, but hey, that's actually better because I can put it in, I have a small table next to me in my bed, so that would be cool and I can see what's in it. Okay, so that's what you get. And then if you open, I got an aqua color apparently. Let's see what's inside this. A lot of packaging. Is this even biodegradable? All right. A little plug and instructions. Tell me how to get started. Let's see what else is in here. And nothing else. That's pretty much it. So let me open it up and let me plug this in and you'll see what it looks like in the next video. Okay.